How to send your Word document from your laptop to your phone easily. The first thing what you can do is just head over to any of your browser and just make sure you have successfully logged into your Gmail account. So as you can see, I have logged into my Gmail account, and from over here all you have to do is just click on compose and make sure you remember your Gmail to which you are sending is on already logged in on your Android or mobile device. So once you do that, just type in the Gmail which you have already used in your mobile phone. So let me just do that. So just like this, you enter your connected Gmail and just choose a subject for it like this. And once you do that, just attach your Word file from over here. So you just have to locate your file from your device and just like this, simply open or attach any Word file. So if your Word file or any other file has exceeded more than 25 MB, then you can also use the drive link to send the file easily without having to care about storage options. So once you do all of that, just hit the send button and you will have successfully sent your Word document from your laptop to your phone easily. So I hope this video was helpful, guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.